Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks. God bless you as you do this. New details reveals that the Ooni of Ife fooled 201 gods just to marry Olori Wuraola. With the confirmation that the marriage has sunk in the ocean by Olori Wuraola, more details have begun to pop in within the last 24 hours. Though it was broadcasted back in 2016 that the gods chose Olori Wuraola to be the queen, new diggings have claimed that to be a lie. Ooni's first wife Bukola has departed the king some months before his coronation as king, but things needed to be in place for the coronation, and that was where Sonia came in. When Bukola left, the king gave 3 names of his girlfriends: Adewura Adeyemi, Sonia Obahan, and an unidentified lady to the oracle. The king was the one who was said to have given Sonia the name Wuraola. Though warned not to marry Sonia as she was married to a Lebanese business mogul with kids. He turned deaf ears and was said to have bribed his way through with some priests for the Wuraola to be chosen. Though humans were bribed, the gods were not in support of the union. Besides, gods can't be bribed. So that was how the oracle chose Wuraola above others. Record breaker. How Ooni of Ife makes history. Last month has been full of news and rumors regarding the crashed marriage of Ooni of Ife and Olori Wuraola. Otiti, the queen, has confirmed the 17-month-old marriage had sank in the ocean. The confirmation made last month brought some records to a halt, cause not in the history of the kingdom has this level scandalous acts rocked the Otojuwo house. Here are ways the broken marriage turned to a record-breaking scenario. 1. The king married a divorced woman. Not in the history of the throne has the king married a woman who was in another relationship before, as the king only marry maidens. In fact, he is expected to marry only virgins. Olori Zainab was still in a relationship with her Lebanese partner as at December 2015. 2. The marriage lasted for just a year and 5 months. On usual grounds, a marriage with the king is meant to last till death do them part, but that of Oba Adai and Olori Wuraola was a different case, as the marriage that was sealed on the 12th of March 2016 was broken in less than 6 months after they went as husband and wife, and the queen left the palace in July 2017. 3. The news of the scandals was all over the media platforms. The details crawled into conventional media on the 14th of August, and more details have been popping in ever since. 4. The king was coronated as a bachelor just before he ascended the throne in 2015. The king and his first wife Bimbo Bambata had parted ways. She tried coming back, but it didn't work out. It is very unusual for a king at 40 not to have a wife by him.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Gua TV is always the first to get there, so you just need to subscribe, unless you'll be missing out. And how to subscribe? There's exactly everything Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.
And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Gua TV. You see the.
And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.